Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on Google Meet. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Google Meet and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.